It's your girl Chilee and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my page. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, I appreciate you. So I am partnering with WOWIGS and showing you guys their kinky curly unit. So thank you WOWIGS for sending me this hair. This is their kinky curly unit in 20 inches. And of course, this is their headband wig. So if you would like to learn more about this hair, keep watching. So this is the packaging that the wig came in. I want to say shipping and handling probably took no more than 4 business days. So the hair came in this pretty colorful box, and then you can see down below it has WOWIGS. And then when you open it up, WOWIGS, I love this color pink. They also put a little flyer inside the bag, and it actually comes and shows you all of the different styles that they offer so far. And on the back it also has some hair care tips. And then when you open up the bag, they also threw in a free edge brush, so if you know you do your edges, these always come in handy. And then they have a little headband. Of course, you can use any headband that you have, but I think it was nice that they went ahead and put one in there for me. And then here is the wig. So I decided to go with the kinky curly wig just because I wanted some hair that was as natural looking as possible. I have played with this hair, so the curls did not come this loose, but I went ahead and brushed them out just so I can see the texture. This is what the headband part looks like. So it's just a straight kind of track going all across, and then when you open it up, it has 3 pins going across for extra security, and then it has 1 comb on the left, 1 comb on the right, and then it has 1 at the bottom right here. And then of course it also comes with your bra straps. I love when they put bra straps in the wigs because it just gives it that extra security. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my bonnet. The thing that I really do like about this unit is that because it is kinky, I don't have to necessarily have my hair super flat or super laid down in the back versus if you were using like a straight unit. So I went ahead and kept out these 2 pieces just for styling purposes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put all the rest of my hair back using just a regular wig cap. So I'm gonna show you guys just a few of the styles that I will be doing using this unit. So let's get started. I love it already. That thing slick, boy. That thing slicker than slick. Y'all, yes sir, I love big hair, period. And if you want a more defined look, you can definitely probably add some like mousse or some gel, some conditioner, some water, all of that. But I like a fro. I love it just like this. But this was probably gonna be my go-to style for this wig, just slapping it on and going about my business. But I'm gonna keep doing a few more styles just again to show you guys the versatility. enjoyed that video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I will make sure to leave all of the information of this wig down below. If you would like more hair reviews and tutorials, check out these videos. If you need a good laugh, check out these videos. And if you need any type of motivation, check out these videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace, love, blessings.